Hello guys. I'm videotaping myself using my phone. I'm inside my car. Ito nga yung manibela. Oh, ito. It's 5:07 p.m. It's already dark and it's raining and I'm about to drive off. I'm just making this video just for fun. I hope I don't get into an accident though. I'm sending this to you later after maybe when I get home. Lumabas ako without all of them, meaning Wally and the kids and the baby. Very rare these days na meron akong alone time. Anyway, I went out because I'm driving right now. Um, I went out kasi I needed to buy boots for Sabrina. Isa kasi yung boots niya. Bilis lumaki eh. Last winter, may iba-iba siyang boots. Ngayon, hindi na kasha, of course. Nag-growth spurt siya. I wish I could show you the outside. Kaya lang nga I'm driving. So, um, so ito, um, nakastep ako kasi may tumatawid sa harap ko. Um, pag ganitong Pasko, naririnig niyo ba yung sounds? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Pag ganitong Pasko, nagsisenti ako eh. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Kasi namimiss ko kayo, yung tayo sa Pasig.